You're looking to format numbers with leading zeros. This could be for a variety of reasons, something like tracking numbers, zip codes, order numbers, invoice numbers, anything like that. I'm going to show you how to format your numbers with leading zeros. Here with these tracking numbers, I'm going to select the entire column, click Format, go to Number, and then here on the right, we're going to scroll down to Custom Number Format. Here, there's zeros, there's even hashtags and commas, and you can put different types of symbols there. We're going to be putting zeros. In the case of the tracking numbers, we want 7 zeros. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it'll show a sample right there. Click Apply, and all of our numbers have 3 leading zeros here. In zip codes, we want 5 zeros. So we're going to go to Format Number, Custom Number Format, and put 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, it will show a sample right here. Apply. For order numbers, maybe we only need 4 zeros. So we're going to Format Number, Custom Number Format, 4 zeros. Click Apply. And invoice numbers as well. We're going to go Format Number. Scroll down to Custom Number Format. Maybe we want 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4. Apply. And the entire column has 8 zeros. There's your leading zeros, no matter how many zeros you need at the beginning.